MacBook indeed is very easy to use, but some settings do not align with the general user's habits, which is really annoying.
Today, I will share a few tips to optimize some annoying settings. Let's see how many you've encountered.
Change mouse scroll direction.
If you are a friend who just switched from Windows to Mac, you will find that the mouse scrolling direction on Mac is reversed, which is really uncomfortable. Actually, you just need to open System Settings, scroll to the bottom, find Mouse, and turn off the button next to Natural Scrolling to switch to the same scrolling direction as Windows.
2. Change the menu bar display status.
Does your top menu bar appear and disappear, and every time you need to use it, you have to move the mouse up for it to show? Actually, you just need to open System Settings, find Control Center, then scroll to the bottom of the page and change Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar to Never. This way, the menu bar will always stay fixed at the top of the screen and won't disappear anymore.
Modify the default open path in Finder.
Every time you open Finder, it shows recents, and you have to click a few more times to reach the target folder.
Click on Finder in the top menu bar, then go to Settings, switch to the General tab, and on the drop-down menu for new Finder windows, you can set it to Desktop. Once set up, when you open Finder again, it will directly display the folder you have configured.
4. Hide the dock.
During work, if the dock takes up too much space, you can place the mouse on the dividing line and drag up or down to adjust the size. You can also right-click on the dividing line to enable hiding and call it up by sliding to the bottom of the screen when needed.
Manage startup applications.
Every time you start up, a bunch of applications launch on their own, not only slowing down the startup speed, but also taking up memory. Actually, you just need to open System Settings, select General, and then click Login Items and Extensions. Here, you can see all the startup applications. Hold the Command key to select the unnecessary applications, and click the minus sign at the bottom to disable startup.
6. Application window fixed display.
Does your computer hide desktop application windows as soon as you click? Actually, you just need to open System Settings, select Desktop and Dock, and change the Click to Show Desktop option to Only when lifting. This way, clicking on desktop application windows will not hide them.
What other annoying settings have you encountered? Let me know in the comments.